Explosions Part 4. Let's go.
My first ever explosion. Let's go.
That was a loud one. I hope I'm not going to run up the sack. Stairs again.
I mean, I think that might be it for my intro.
Yeah, it was a lovely intro.
Yeah.
Bye.
I need to go find some. Oh shit! I missed the best one.
It's raining
I missed
fire.
I missed one, but that is really sick.
From out of the sky.
They're not over yet. So
Fire.
part 2 to the intro, I guess.
No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. Holy shit, it's
They
fire.
sound so late, like the sounds.
Because sound goes faster.
Well, then why is it moving?
I don't know. I'm stupid. Quality might be terrible on my phone because it's an iPhone 5.
HD, my one's got 4K.
Some improvements. Mirror selfie. Let's go still. We have a gate now. A dog. Ah!
How is my battery power so low? Shit.
I think it's done.
I need to charge my iPhone.
I just got jump scared by a firework.
Yeah, we're on a dog walk.
When a dog walk got jump scared by a firework and I thought it was gonna fly on me, and I crouched down.
You literally froze like.
Okay.
Oh god, the pug's gonna wee. Okay, it's cold. I'm scared that it's gonna blow up on me.
Genuinely
We're in a gang right now.
all wearing our school hoodies from when we were in year 6. Fun fact, I was wearing this last
She was wearing the exact same outfit last year.
year. Yep. Minus the jeans.
Jean shorts.
They're not shorts. They're not like. Oh my god! It's almost the alpha male moon where Hunter will run around in his wolf t-shirt.
But literally so good.
It did. It looks like.
It was yellow. It's
I have Hamilton song stuck in my head.
Shut up.
No.
Like if we just walk past the house.
Hey, I can't see nothing.
I wanna be in the room where it happens, the room where it happens, the room where it happens.
The dog just did a poo-poo.
I don't need to know that.
Yeah. Let's see it. When we're walking back, there's going to be like a firework.
Yeah, and I'm gonna crouch
And
down,
something like right in front of us. And we're like,
and then we're gonna die.
look at the spot. Are you recording?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Yes, I am. I'm Liam Darkshire.
I don't know where we are. Yeah.
You obviously know where we are, but I physically cannot state, or else my location will get me found, and I will die. I am only a 13-year-old kid.
You're a kid. You're a minor.
Yeah, yeah. Fun fact, I cannot see. Yo, fireworks! Yeah, I'm gonna follow Harry. They're really loud, they're ear piercing. Come on. Bonfire. I don't know. I don't speak French. Why am I speaking French?
Bonfire night.
I support Guy Fawkes.
Back this way now, please.
Yes, I fought him. Like, yeah. And that's how Parliament's still here. Sometimes I wish it wasn't. I don't like Rishi. I'm stating my political opinion in Explosions Part 4.
This is. Oh, you just recorded the intro.
But now, when I edit all these videos together, there'll be a full part.
One that just pops out.
Yeah, so last year's video was in total 6 minutes long.
That's what I'm gonna do. And my ones. But my ones aren't going to be here because my phone's dead right now.
Oh, Frank.
We're walking past a mystical house with blowing up.
Well, no, that's one of my friend's houses.
I'm scared.
Why you should be scared? It's one of my friend's houses.
No, because you literally go into like that, like, you know how like when you're on a plane?
No, I've never
and
been on
you're
a
like,
plane.
you have to take cover.
I've never been on a
No,
plane.
I know airplane safety. Well, like, if the plane crash, you have to like, embrace.
What, embrace a hug?
Embrace yourself, you have to like, and then you get like, and then you have to sit like that for the flight, and it's really cool.
Okay. I don't understand the word you're saying, by the way, I'm deaf.
I don't care.
Okay.
But yeah, when you're on airplane safety,
You're walking too far ahead. Frank wants to come.
it's like a plane crashes, you have to go like that.
Alright. I heard some noises.
Yeah, they should go on the way back.
Okay. There is a cloud of smoke.
Coming up, cloud of smoke. Oh god.
Oh god, that is close.
Oh god.
Oh god.
We're very close.
Oh god, we're really close.
See those ones where over like flashing? That's a house.
Yeah, no. I know what a house is. I live in one. Some people might. Okay. If any loud,
just scared the shit out of me.
obviously it would. Come on, Frankers. You were good little Frankers.
Yeah, but he might have had another shot if you bothered to walk behind him.
Oh, so obviously I needed to get home before the explosions kill me. I am now coming home. Goodbye. See you in about like 2 seconds or something. Bye bye. The main attraction is coming soon. Also Christmas tree. Merry Christmas.
At 8 o'clock we're gonna go out
What he said.
because I'm tired.
I'll let Frank jump.
Okay, here's a. There's.
You'd be better off going out in the garden.
I know, I'm just doing this. Yeah, there's that. I can't.
Whoa!
I don't want to miss it.
What is this?
That is loud.
That's mad!
In it, bro. I'm definitely acting British.
Wait, I've got to get my phone.
Okay. Shit. Yeah, I don't think I was recording any of that. Damn.
You're just watching it through your phone.
Yeah, I was. Excuse me, let me through.
Now we shall wait for it to happen.
Yes. 2 more minutes.
2 more minutes.
Fun fact, I just called Tiggy a few minutes ago, see if she could be on call with me whilst doing it, so it could be me, Tiggy collab. But I guess Tiggy's watching her own. Oh, it smells like terror. It smells like dog shit. I don't know what dog shit smells like. I don't care if I have a dog. I've never smelled it smell shit, because who does that?
Frank's like, why the fuck are you talking to yourself?
I'm not talking to myself.
Okay,
I'm talking to
Outside?
Oh no, the door's gonna close.
Don't lock me out here!
Yeah, I'm going to lock you out here. Slimbo.
She runs. This guy's sad.
I'm not even a fan of Undertale. Hello. It's 7:59. Time is a thing you have on a wall and wear it on your wrist. I don't even know if that's the right lyrics. I've not watched Don't Hold Me, I'm Scared in ages. Piss.
Oh I'm doing like this weird clown ass laugh.
Time. Been messaging Tiggy throughout all of this as well. I hope you were here watching this with me. It would have been so cool.
Scary. That's a literal.
Yo, why can't I light
Don't
one?
let me hold it.
I want to light one.
Why do I have to hold it? No.
Hold it and it down. Hold it right.
Alright, holding sprinkler.
Grip it.
No, hold it.
Got it. And then you squeeze it.
Liam holds sprinkler.
Hold it a bit better than that.
Liam holds sprinkler 2022. I don't like this.
Oh, it's getting close. I don't like this.
It's not getting close.
You've got hold of it at the end, Harry. It's perfectly
It's
fine.
getting hot.
You just hold it until it goes out.
It is. My hand is burning.
It's not.
Happy bonfire night, I guess.
That doesn't seem safe.
My dad's literally holding 2 right now.
I'm so close to them. I'm gonna die.
What do I do? It's not going out.
That's because it's still burning. Yeah, there's bits of fireworks all on the road and all.
Hey, how's there a bit of fireworks in our back garden?
Because they were big rockets.
Oh shit, it's getting close, it's getting close.
It's getting close.
Alright, just hold it at arm's length and you'll be fine.
I'm not fine. I'm gonna
No,
die.
make it go out, please.
It'll go by itself.
It's going way too close.
No, it's not.
Back off.
It's so close to my hands.
It smells like those hippie shops.
I have
Seen it? Gone up.
no
Yeah.
idea what that is. I'm not like
Okay,
old.
I was being held up free will.
My hand.
Let's go check out the explosions.
What was that? What was that?
The bomber breaking into our house.
That's the one
Wait,
that
the
we.
dog could have just went upstairs. Where is the dog?
It's fine. If he's upstairs, he'll probably be jumping on my bed.
Like the time he jumped on you in your sleep.
Yeah, no, that was. I didn't even know that happened.
Wow! Wario! Super Mario Bros. Whee! Bro, look at my feet.
Yeah.
That's a piss post for my dog. You can't see it.
Harry, don't make videos hours long because you'll kill up all my memory.
No, it was only 2 minutes long.
Okay.
I make my
It's
videos a
fun,
minute long.
Lucifer.
Jump.
The sky. Bro, I know why all the fireworks isn't here, because they reach the skybox.
Oh god, it's time for the big boys.
Oh
No,
god.
well, these are just more sparklers, aren't they? Yeah.
Time for the...
So no big
Real
explosions that make
business.
you run
Yeah,
upstairs
we
at full
haven't got any big
speed.
explosions.
No, we've only got them
Little
little
couple, we've got
things.
these 3 little junk ones.
Okay, that's fine.
Gonna go flying.
I'm still probably gonna run upstairs crying.
No, you can light them first, will you? No, just light them first. Can you not be quiet?
Okay, I'm scared.
The whole fucking neighbourhood can hear you guys.
Stop, Harry.
Some message I sent to the world.
Really
Keep
wouldn't
this
be
open.
that.
Bye.
Get in.
Ah, god.
Oh god, that thing is big. I ain't no chicken. Move please. Move please. Thank you.
Yeah, what's that?
That was it.
No,
Yeah.
I told you there was only
I missed
3 little
it.
ones.
I'm sitting back here and it's
God, it smells. It
Oh,
smells.
we've got an egg.
Last one just went out. I'm scared as fuck to see this one. Okay, I'm hiding back here.
Alright.
Okay, so there it is. This is what we're doing.
Fun fact, the original name for the series was Explosives.
Okay, that
Hey, it looks like a little lava mounting at the end. I say
That
mounting
was scary.
instead of mountain, that's weird.
Look at the bloody sky. Oh, that's just smoke. Oh my god.
Look at the Frank.
Let's go show the Frank. The Frankity.
And that one,
No, Oh no, that
This-
one's
this one.
big and scary. That one's gonna kill me for sure.
That one's not going to kill you.
It's yours, mate. Lily, show Frank it.
Frank!
Frank!
Frankers!
Come on, Frank. Let's go inside. Please. Thank you. I'm scared.
Oh god, low battery.
Right, have you both in position?
Yeah. Please don't kill me.
I agree. I'm being squished!
So am I.
Is it not working?
I think it's at the end of.
Oh damn. You and I can be young forever.
I'm gonna go in, maybe in here. Because that seems safer.
How does it jump?
Is it not working?
I think it's off.
Loads on.
I can be it off.
Frankie D, please help me. Frankie D. Frankie D. Frankie D. Frankie D. Frankie!
Ritz singing
This is
all
the
good.
scariest thing I'm ever gonna do.
Frank.
Another video. Okay, no, not yet. I'm outside. Frank!
You can like
No, he's
No, you
not.
just can do now. Right, just like.
Just light it.
Get the Frank away. Okay, it's lighting.
Five,
It's lighting. It's lighting.
4, 3, 2, 1. We're going on a trip.
Whoa!
in our
Okay,
favourite
that wasn't as
rocket
bad as I thought. Oh, wow.
Oh,
Whoa!
woo!
That wasn't as bad as I thought.
Woo! 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 Woo!
That's a lot.
That's a good boy. Thank you, watch.
That was it.
Explosions part 4 is going to be cut short.
Sparklers.
Yeah,
Oh god, more sparklers.
It just doesn't go out in time.
Spipper Connor in the arms. Cleo. You make me feel like I'm living a teenage dream.
Back that up away from mine.
SUBSCRIBE.
Dog.
Fun fact, I don't know how to spell subscribe.
Water.
Water down!
A dog has water abilities.
What do you think, Frank? Frank says I'll just watch from behind the fin.
I think the spirit woods have only been to space.
Water down!
Oh, when does it stop?
In a minute.
I'm scared.
And when does it start?
Dog.
I'm about to make a spell circle. Yeah.
What the hell is my father doing?
It smells of rotten eggs, doesn't it?
I like rotten eggs.
My father is spinning it. Oh,
How
shit,
to actually
that
do a
is
spell
really good.
circle.
Oh,
You're fine, mate.
no, I'm not. Make it stop.
Am I real? or just a prop?
Okay, can you tap it back? Is it gonna stop?
Okay, mine's actually near the end.
That's what you're fine.
It literally
Really,
is.
it'll go flat in a minute. It'll turn off, honestly.
It's just shut off. There, it's off.
When it gets past this level 1, I'm done. Oh, it's done.
See?
Mum's down.
Lily will go in a minute.
No more
It's
stop.
getting close to my fingers.
It's
Yeah,
fine, no,
yeah,
no,
go on.
it's dead.
Bye bye.
Missed it.
Well, that was explosions.
Explosions.
That's not as good as last one, but I didn't record one.
Okay, spell circle still going strong.
Well,
Hang in there, little. Oh.
hang in there, little. You make me feel like a
Oh, we've
waste
got
of
that